Wondering how to nominate yourself for the Unstop Talent Awards 2026? It's super easy. Let me walk you through all the steps. Head to unstop.com and log into your Unstop account. Click on your profile section in the bottom left corner. Select Unstop Awards nominations and your details will open up. When you scroll down, you will find your nominations listed there. Verify your details and your nominations. In case you want to submit a new nomination which is not listed, click on Nominate Now. A form opens with your basic details. Verify those, then save and continue. You will get a pop-up confirming step 1 saved successfully. Next, you need to fill in competition details. You can select the competitions listed or add a new competition. Click on Save and continue. Continue filling position 1, organizer detail, and relevant documents to verify your nomination. Click on Save and continue, and you are done. Easy peasy, right? Nominate now.